Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Orphe and today I'm gonna take you behind the scenes on how I shot this video for Mr. Frank Baylis, who was running to be the Prime Minister of Canada. If you're brand new to this channel, please make sure to like and subscribe. All right, let's jump right into it. So I shot this with two cameras. My main camera was the RED Komodo and the 35mm lens for Make, and for my B camera I used the Blackmagic and the 50mm lens from Sigma. For my lighting, I used the 600D from Godox and I bounced it off a V-flat, two whiteboards, and bounce it off of it, and the light came back through the 12 feet diffuser sheet that I have. Now for the hair light, we used the Emerald. That wasn't my light, it was from the person who's actually filming this behind the scenes. He put it on a boom and we added a grid and a small softbox because we didn't want anything to spill on the backdrop or even coming back in the camera to create some haze or anything. We just made sure to have that light above Mr. Frank's head. The reason why I love this light because it's very soft, it looked natural, and what it does, it also elevates the quality of the whole image. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't hesitate, if you have questions, write them in the comments. You already know what time it is. It's your boy Orphe the Mid Baby. I'm out.